Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will read second lesson of Noorani Qaida. This is lesson second and part 7. And this lesson is brought to you by mydhahome.com. If you are living in Pakistan or overseas and want a beautiful home for your kids in Pakistan or invest in high yielding property in Pakistan, mydhahome.com is your stop for all your real estate needs in Pakistan. Visit now mydhahome.com. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. تا يا نون تا يا نون تا ya noon. When we write ta as single letter, ta will write like this, and when we write ta in words, ta will write like this. So if you know ta has two dots on top, easily you can recognize this letter. Similarly, you can see ta and ya have almost same shape. But ya will recognize by dots. Ya has two dots below. Ta has two dots on top. Ya has two dots below. So dots are very significant. You must know which letter has how many dots. Ta, ya, noon. Ta is below. Ya is maroon and noon is green. Ta, ya, noon. Please read after me. Ta, ya, noon. Ta, ya, noon. Ta, ya, noon. Ta, ya, noon. Noon, ha. Noon, ha. When we write single noon, noon will write like this. When we write Arabic or words, so noon will write like this. So you must know noon's dots. You only can recognize letters by their dots. So noon has one dot on top. Noon, ha. Please read after me. Noon, ha. Noon, ha. Noon, ha. Noon, ha. Ba, noon, lam. Ba, noon, lam. Ba, noon, lam. This is single ba, but when we write Arabic or Arabic words, ba will use like this and noon will write like this. So ba and noon have almost same shape, and you can recognize letter by dot. Ba has one dot below and noon has one dot on top. Ba is maroon, noon is below, and lam is green. Please read after me. Ba, noon, lam. 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 Ya, ta, lam. This is ya, this is ta, this is lam. Ya, ta, lam. This is single ya. When we write ya in Arabic words, ya will write like this. Ya, ta, lam. Ya has two dots below, ta has two dots on top. If you don't know letters dots, you cannot recognize letters because ya and ta almost have same shape in compound alphabets. You must know letters dots. Ya, ta, lam. Please read after me. Ya, ta, lam. 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 Okay, now we will repeat this lesson without English help. In previous letters, we will write English on top so you can recognize, you can take some help, but you have to recognize letters anyway. That's why we removed English from this practice. So let's repeat. Ta, ya, noon. Please read after me. Ta, ya, noon. Ta, ya, noon. Ta, ya, noon. Ta, ya, noon. Noon, ha. Please read after me. Noon, ha. Noon, ha. Noon, ha. Noon, ha. Ba, noon, lam. Please read after me. Ba, noon, lam. Ba, noon, lam. If you still need help, if you still need English help, you can rewind this lesson and you can take help from there. But after all, you have to recognize every single letter and you have to learn and you have to read without English help because there is no English in Quran. So you have to recognize. Ba, noon, lam. Ba, noon, lam. Ya, ta, lam. Please read after me. Ya, ta, lam. Ya, ta, lam. Ya, ta, lam. Ya, ta, lam. Okay, we have completed today's lesson and inshallah tomorrow we will learn from Ya, Fa to Ya, Mim. So today we learn only one section and tomorrow we will learn this section. If you don't understand anything or you have any question regarding this lesson, please ask in comment section below and we will give you a quick answer inshallah. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.